is up, you guys? It is Parker here with Deco Exchange. Y'all, we've got another great tutorial out today, and I just wanted to remind you guys to subscribe to our channel, like the video down below, and at the very least, y'all, leave us a comment and let us know what you think. Hope you enjoy.
Let's fluff this sad little guy out. All right, so y'all, this one looks a little bare around the base of the stem. So if I take this gnome and cover that, and then I fill in this section with a giant bow, it's gonna completely change the look of what we've got here. So, all right, so I decided to swap it up a little bit, and I'm gonna go with some colors that will also pass for Valentine's Day. Maybe they're like me, and they forget wreaths on their door for a long time. So if I just go generic red, blacks, whites, they can keep it up as long as they want. Where did I get the gnome? Decoexchange.com. All right, we'll give this a good pinch. All right. Get a good twist. Y'all, the number one thing that I had to learn as a business was that you don't have to be a fan of things to be successful. Right? What you have to do is you have to find out what other people are buying and produce those things. Now, I am making this bow a little bit bigger than I would be if I was adding this to a regular wreath. Mainly just because we want to cover up as much as that base as we can. This is called an Easy Bow Maker. You can get it at decoexchange.com. All right, I'm gonna finish it up with a little center loop. Y'all, that center loop just helps hide the mechanics of your bow. Gonna get this nice and tight. All right, we got a giant bow. Let's attach our little gnome friend next. So he's pretty light, so it's not going to take a whole lot of effort to attach him. Gnomes are not my thing. So y'all, there's like a little piece of wire that binds all of this together. I'm using that little bind wire. What is my base? Pine wreath. All right. So I use the gnome to cover up that side of the base. On this side, we're going to use the bow that we just made. Get all these trimmed up. All right, one giant gnome wreath. Giant, it's 24. Done.